As we move into 2024, bikepacking keeps getting better with new gear. This year, many riders are exploring closer to home, finding new trails and spots they never knew about. Whether you're planning big trips or just weekend rides, good gear can make your adventure much more fun. In today's video, we will show you the 7 coolest bikepacking gears for 2024. These gears can improve your rides and camping. From light sleeping bags to smart bike tools, we'll show you the best gear to take on your next bike trip. Genesis Basecamp System. The Genesis Basecamp system is a top-notch cooking kit for outdoor adventures. It packs neatly into itself, making it easy to carry. The system has 2 burners working alone or connecting with other Jetboil stoves to make a bigger cooking setup. You get a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch non-stick pan, giving you all you need to cook great meals outdoors. The powerful burners heat up fast, boiling water in just over 3 minutes, which is perfect for making coffee or melting snow. It comes with a windscreen to help it work well in any weather, and it can handle temperatures as low as 20 F. The whole thing weighs about 9 pounds and works with regular propane bottles. The stove folds up small and comes in a handy carry bag. Each burner is strong and can be adjusted easily. You can even add more Jetboil stoves to it if you need to cook for more people. It is also great for groups of 3-5 people and is perfect for camping trips where you want to cook good meals. ROCKBROS Panniers Bags 30L. Panniers are 30-liter bike bags perfect for short cycling trips. They're big enough to hold clothes, food, tools, and personal items for 2-3 days. The bags have 2 main compartments and 2 outer zipper pockets for easy access to your stuff. These panniers are waterproof, keeping your gear dry in any weather. They come with a waterproof cover for extra protection on rainy days. The surface is easy to clean with a wet cloth. The bags attach securely to your bike rack with a 6-point system, so they won't shake or slide off while riding. They have a firm inner support to keep their shape and stay out of your bike's spokes. These panniers don't have zippers. Instead, they use a clamshell design that's waterproof and easy to open. They're also simple to put on and take off your bike. For safety, the bags have reflective strips and a bright green rain cover to make you more visible at night or in the rain. These panniers are great for daily rides, family trips, or longer journeys. Garmin Edge 830 GPS. The Garmin Edge 830 is a GPS cycling computer designed to elevate your rides. Preloaded maps with turn-by-turn navigation and a long battery life of up to 20 hours keep you on track and rolling. Whether you're a road cyclist or mountain biker, features like Climb Pro Ascent guidance and popularity routing help you conquer climbs and explore new paths. The bright touchscreen display allows you to easily see ride data, customize settings, and plan routes on the device. Plus, it offers performance monitoring to track metrics like VO2 max and cycling dynamics, while compatibility with ANT+ sensors and Bluetooth allows for pairing with power meters, heart rate monitors, and more. Appalachian Inflatable Sleeping Pad. The Appalachian Sleeping Pad is a lightweight, compact backpacking pad designed for comfort and convenience on the trail. Made from durable 70D ripstop nylon, it features horizontal air channels that conform to your body shape better than vertical or waffled designs. The pad is easily inflatable and adjustable to your preferred firmness, while a rapid air discharge valve makes packing up quick and easy. Available in full and ultralight sizes, it packs down small to save space in your backpack. The full size measures 76 x 24 inches and weighs 1 pound 40 ounces, while the ultralight version is 72 x 20 inches and weighs just 1 pound 4 ounces. Whether you're hiking or camping closer to home, this Appalachian sleeping pad promises a comfortable night's rest after a long day outdoors. Leatherman ARC multitool. The ARC is a groundbreaking multi-tool featuring 20 tools and premium magna-cut steel for its knife blade, a first in the multi-tool industry. This steel offers excellent edge retention, strength, and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for everyday use and harsh conditions. The blade's DLC coating adds extra protection against corrosion. Using free technology, all tools open smoothly with one hand and lock securely. The ARC includes popular features like bit drivers, a diamond-coated file, and premium replaceable wire cutters. It comes with a removable pocket clip, a 4-pocket nylon sheath, and 9 double-ended bits. Other tools include pliers, a pry tool, bottle and can openers, scissors, a saw, and various files and screwdrivers. The ARC's design emphasizes durability, practicality, and ease of use, setting a new standard for premium multi-tools. Its combination of advanced materials, user-friendly design, and versatile toolset makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from everyday repairs to outdoor adventures. ZENBIVY Light Quilt. The Light Quilt is a high-performance backpacking quilt designed for all skill levels. It features a unique fast footbox with a single clip for adjustable space and warmth. Available in 25F and 10F versions, the quilt comes in 3 sizes: regular, large, and XL. Weights range from 1 pound 4 ounces to 2 pounds 8 ounces, depending on size and temperature rating. The quilt uses 800 fill power hyper dry duck down, which is water resistant and fluorocarbon free. It's made with soft, durable 20D nylon taffeta fabric that has a smooth feel and coating-free door treatment. The quilt attaches to compatible sheets using a lightweight, color-coded clip system. Dimensions vary by size, with the regular measuring 72 inches x 54 inches before lofting. The Light Quilt comes with a mesh storage sack and is designed to fit in a 7L or 15L dry sack. This versatile quilt combines comfort, warmth, and practicality for various outdoor adventures, making it suitable for backpackers seeking a high-quality, adaptable sleep system. Survivor Filter Pro Water Filter. The Survivor Filter Pro is an impressive portable water filtration pump that offers exceptional filtration down to 0.1 microns, the highest level available for portable filters. It effectively removes viruses, bacteria, and parasites, and reduces heavy metals while improving water taste. Lab tests show it eliminates 99.999% of protozoa, viruses, and bacteria, and removes 99.5% of mercury and 93% of lead. The filter uses a 3-stage process. First, 1 micron pre-filter removes larger contaminants, then, a carbon filter reduces heavy metals and chemicals, finally, an internal ultra-filter removes 99.999% of tested viruses and bacteria. The pre-filter and ultra-filter can be reused for up to 100,000 liters, while the carbon filter lasts 2,000 liters. With a flow rate of 500 milliliter per minute, this compact and lightweight filter comes with all necessary components, including hoses, a carrying case, and a backwashing syringe. It's an ideal solution for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness, offering reliable, clean water in various situations. So, these are the 7 coolest bikepacking gear for 2024. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comment which gear you like the most.